Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the all-important topic of finding the best products to dropship. As a dropshipper, the products you choose to sell can make or break your business. If you choose products that are high in demand, have a good profit margin, and are easy to source, you'll be well on your way to success. On the other hand, if you choose a product that are low quality, hard to get, or have slim profit margins, you'll struggle to make any money. So in this video, we'll go over some key considerations to keep in mind when choosing products to dropship. We'll also share some tips and strategies for finding the best products, and we'll even give you some examples of products that have worked well for other dropshippers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. We put a lot of effort into these videos, and we also have a whole TikTok dropshipping guide strategy made for you on the channel, so be sure to go and give that a watch. Let's get started. Choosing a niche. The first thing you need to do when choosing products to dropship is to pick a niche. A niche is a specific area of focus that you'll be targeting with your products. For example, if you're interested in outdoor gear, your niche could be camping equipment. If you're interested in beauty, your niche can be natural skincare products. Why is choosing a niche important? For one thing, it helps you narrow down your product options. Instead of trying to sell everything under the sun, you can focus on a specific type of product or category. This makes it easier to research and find good products to sell. Another reason to choose a niche is that it allows you to build a brand and establish yourself as an expert in that area. If you're known for selling the best camping gear around, for example, people are more likely to buy from you when they need new gear. Step 2. Research demand. Once you've chosen a niche, the next step is to research demand for the products that you're interested in selling. You want to make sure that people are actually interested in buying the products that you're offering. There are a few ways you can do this. Use a tool like Google Trends to see how interest in a particular product or keyword has changed over time. This can give you an idea of whether demand is increasing or decreasing. Check out popular e-commerce sites like Amazon and eBay to see what's selling. You can also see what products have high ratings and reviews, which can be a good sign that they're in demand. Look at forums or social media groups related to your niche and see what people are talking about. What product are they recommending? What problems are they trying to solve? This can give you some good ideas for products to sell. Step 3. Consider profit margins. Once you've found some products that are in demand, the next step is to consider their profit margins. You want to make sure that you can make a good profit from each sale after you've paid for the product, shipping, and any other costs such as your Shopify subscription and your TikTok ads budget. To calculate your profit margin, you'll need to know the cost of the product, the price you'll be selling it for, and any other expenses such as your ROAS. You can use this formula: sale price minus cost of price minus other expenses divided by the sale price equals profit margin. For example, let's say you're selling a camping tent for $100. The cost of the tent is $50 and you'll be paying $10 for shipping. Your profit margin would be $100 minus $50 minus $10 divided by $100, which equals 40%. In general, you want to aim for a profit margin that is quite high. Step 4. Find reliable suppliers. Once you've found some products with good demand and profit margins, the next step is to find reliable suppliers. You want to make sure that you're working with suppliers who can consistently provide you with products that you need at the right price. There are a few things you can do to find good suppliers. Use a supplier directory like Alibaba or Salehu. These directories list thousands of suppliers and can be a great place to start your search. Check out trade shows and events related to your niche. This is a very good way to meet suppliers in person and feel their products and services. Ask for recommendations from other dropshippers or e-commerce store owners. They may have some good recommendations for suppliers they've worked with. Once you have found some potential suppliers, be sure to do your due diligence and make sure they're reputable and reliable. Check out their website, read reviews, and ask for references. Step 5 is to test the products. Before you start selling a product, it's a good idea to test it out for yourself. This will give you a better understanding of the product's quality and features, and it'll also help you write more accurate and helpful product descriptions. It also helps when you're creating organic TikTok ads. If you can try and get a sample of the product from the supplier, this is what you want. This will allow you to test it out firsthand and see if it meets your standards. If you can't get a sample, try and find reviews or unboxing videos of the product online. This will then at least give you an idea of what the product looks and feels like. Generally, a supplier won't deny you samples, and if they do deny you samples, that's a big red flag in my book. Step 6 is to set up your store. Once you have found some good products and reliable suppliers, it is time to set up your store. There are a few different options for setting up a dropshipping store, including using a platform like Shopify or setting up a store on your own website that you can build. Whichever option you choose, be sure to spend some time on the design and branding of your store. This will help you stand out from the competition and create a professional image. You should also make sure that you have a clear and easy easy to use checkout process, as this is what will help you make more sales. Step 7 is to start marketing. Now that your store is set up and you're ready to start selling, it's time to start marketing your products. There are a ton of different marketing strategies you can use to promote your store, including the guide that I have linked before, or using other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to promote your products and connect with potential customers. You could also build an email list and send out weekly newsletters to your subscribers promoting your products and special offers. Another way is influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche and use them to promote your products to their followers. Finding the best product to dropship takes time and research, but it's worth it. By choosing products that are in demand, have good margins, and are easy to source, you'll be well on your way to success. Remember, choosing a niche, research demand, consider profit margins, and find reliable suppliers. Test the products, set your store, and start marketing. It's an easy process. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful dropshipping entrepreneur.